What is going on, you guys? Biggs here from the Pinnacle, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to detach an audio from a video clip on iMovie. Okay, so this is a clip here on iMovie and it also has audio, as you can see over here. So the blue thingy here, that's the audio portion of it, but let's play it anyway to find out that there is audio in this clip. Okay, so it does have audio. So this clip has audio, and we would like to separate the audio from the video, right? How do you do that? Huh? So you right click on it and it says detach audio, just like that. Click and bam, it's separated. See, it's separated. That's the audio here. You can also do something else. Control Z, Command Z out of it. Go up modify here, up modify, and you'll see what the heck. Okay, there you go, detach audio. Click it and it's detached. And once the audio is detached, you can delete it if you want, and then excuse me, now there's just the video portion available, no audio here. See, no audio. Or you can modify it so that some part of this clip has audio, and that's basically it. See, that's how you modify it. Just drag it over here. That's the audio clip here. You can drag it left or right. Okay, just like that. And that's how you modify it whatever you want. And then you can do a voiceover over here in this part. But yeah, I mean, I'm pretty sure I've made a video about voiceover, how to do voiceover in iMovie, so you can learn from that video there. But other than that, it's pretty simple here. Right click, detach audio. Is not here now because I already detached it. Or you can go up, modify here, and detach audio right there. That's how you detach an audio clip from a clip in iMovie. Okay, so I hope this makes sense. If you have any question, comment, concern, let me know. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching my videos. Big C out.